Here, you got it going on? Sorry, that.
Can I put that down for a second?
Yeah. Holy moly! Holy shnikes!
He's gonna hit the boat.
He's very. This means we're in a good fishing hole, Will.
Yeah, he hit some of those crossbows. Oh my God! He just did hit the boat. Don't breathe in.
Why is he up against my boat? He's literally rubbing up against my boat.
Whoa! You feel that?
This is amazing.
Yeah, I don't like this.
I'm sorry, Mark. I left you alone. He is rubbing himself against my boat.
I don't like it. Can we get...
What do you want me to do?
Move!
I'm not moving. He should move. He is... Well, son, if the Lord wants to take us like Jonah, I'm actually getting a shower from his breath. Don't they have tuberculosis? Mark, don't they have tuberculosis? Wow. I ain't never seen nothing like it. He's like rubbing the barnacles off his... Well, does this bring back memories?
Those guys laughing at us. That was one time and done.
Oh my gosh.
This guy is run out of storage space on your phone.
More exciting than your fish, I'm sorry.
Can you send that to the Coast Guard?
I don't know if they want... Where'd he go? Oh my goodness.
Large chicken, probably. I'm not gonna keep fishing.
Huh?
Is it okay if I keep fishing?
Oh yeah.
You wanna come down here, Dad, and switch that Kodiak out?
I guess. I don't know if we'll ever get video like this again.
Oh, I'm sure he'll be back.
I'm gonna just leave this fish on the back deck till the whale's gone.
Okay, that's a good idea. Kind of can predict where he's coming almost. I think he's hooked into, now Will's hooked into a whale.
There we go.
How much do you think Discovery Channel would pay for this one?
Tablet's still on there. Stupid. Just helping them, helping us get set.
It's like when people tell you pigs are smart. You know, what is smart about